Look at that beautiful sunrise. We're so lucky to start our day in Grand Cayman with this beautiful sunrise. We're sitting out on our balcony with a cup of coffee and just doing a little research before heading out for breakfast. So we're starting off our morning with breakfast at Guy's Burger Joint. They make a really great burger egg sandwich before we get off the ship this morning. So we're getting ready to get off the ship, trying to find the right elevator. So we're going to get off the Sunrise. You have to go and take the tenders, which you get on from the like area. Floor 0, I think. So you have to go down into the crew quarters, not the crew quarters, but the crew area, which is actually sort of neat. You get to see sort of behind the scenes. While we're eating breakfast and hanging out on the balcony this morning, we learned some things about the Grand Cayman and the Cayman Islands. I didn't know that there was 3 Cayman Islands. What did you learn, Chris?
There is 3 Cayman Islands in the British Overseas Territory in the Caribbean, and Georgetown is the capital.
And there's about 68,000 people that live in the islands. The average salary is about 38,000 US dollars or 32,000 Cayman Island dollars. There's a lot of popular tourist attractions that we're looking to go do, but we decided to go 7 Mile Beach. There's caves and blowholes and all sorts of hiking activities.
You can go see the ship in the water if you do the snorkeling.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of shipwrecks if you go snorkeling.
This is the port of Grand Cayman. We are docking here because we had to take the tender, and now we are docking in Grand Cayman.
From Grand Cayman.
We are in Cayman Islands.
Cayman Islands, huh? They always got the photo people out here. Photo. There's a sign, welcome to the Cayman Islands. There we go. And we're on Grand Cayman.
We are in Grand Cayman!
Goodness.
Look, Cayman Island. Here, we're gonna have a picture right now.
Just walking around a little bit, we found this cool little spot to come check out the boats and where the ferries bring you, the tender boats. And what do we got here? We got the Sunrise, the Valor, and over there we have a Celebrity X cruise ship in port today. It's really nice. A little empty parking lot we found. But we're going to go to 7 Mile Beach. Right now we're walking along the main drag here. There's a bunch of shops, like jewelry stores and things like that. We decided to take the public bus, which is like a short half-mile walk away from the pier.
The statue. And it's only $2
to take the public bus. So the first place we checked out was this public square with a lot of statues of famous figures representing the Cayman Islands and Grand Cayman.
In 1988.
There's a longtime politician here. You can see they're setting up some Christmas decorations.
Aspiration. Only as high as I reach, And I grow only as far as I seek can I go, only as deep as I look can I see, only as much as I dream can I be. Karen Robin. I see the buses next to the library with the bus.
So right over there is where the bus depot is. It's just a bunch of vans, but it is a public system. So just go up and ask the driver and tell them where you want to go, and they'll take you there. And of course, for all you Starbucks lovers, there is a Starbucks here. So if you need your fix and you hadn't had it in 2 days, there you go.
And over there is Victoria's Secret.
Oh, there's Victoria's Secret there. Look at that.
This is a big bear. He's so cute.
So this is us in the public bus. As you can see, it holds about 9 or 10 passengers. There's 2 Cayman dollars each to ride it to 7 Mile Beach. The driver was very friendly and nice, and he told us where to get off. It took about 20 minutes to get there. So we just got off the public bus here at 7 Mile Beach. It was 2 Cayman Island dollars to take the bus for each of us. I don't know what that translates to. We just got a couple exchange at Starbucks, so I don't even know what the exchange rate is. But I'm sure you could probably pay with 2 American dollars as well. So this is the famous 7 Mile Beach here on Grand Cayman. Looks like there's some shops and some restaurants and food trucks.
What I like is very clean. So the driver told us if they're littering, the fine is $500.
That is a steep fine for littering, but
so
evidently
it's
it worked.
good. It worked.
We haven't seen
It's
any
clean.
litter anywhere. Oh, this looks cool. I guess these are like little changing rooms.
Yeah, they're so cute. But look at this sand.
It is
It's so soft.
powder soft.
It's so
Can't wait to be
nice.
in the ocean. Morning, guys.
But we're gonna try to find the
On a little hunk of beach somewhere.
President Beach. So let's go away from these little chairs, one next to each other. Look at this sand and this water. Wow, so pretty. So beautiful. I love it here. We're gonna enjoy this day. Benny's trying to put the drone up. And here's the drone. It's coming to me. Coming to me. guys see the stingray? The huge, big stingray. We didn't pay for excursion. We just came to 7 Miles Beach. And here is the stingray. Big fish. Here is Ben playing around. And me scaring the water. The stingrays don't come to me because I had an experience before with the stingray surrounding me. I was trying to feed the shark, so I had the little fish and a lot of stingray come around me.
I'm gonna do a little bit of snorkeling. Chris is gonna do some floating.
I'm gonna do so much floating on this water because it's nice and green and
It's beautiful. So that's 7 Mile Beach, and you can see just how packed it is, but we just came a little bit further down. You gotta stay on this side of the white rope because that's private on the other side, but there's a nice little spot of beach and lots of shade under these 2 big trees.
And 7 Miles Beach is not 7 miles, it's only 5.5 miles beach.
Well, who knew? Chris did. So you can see they got like the little swimming barricade out there for how far to swim out. All sorts of activities, and
you actually can see the boat from here.
You can see the Carnival ships from here. Too bad there isn't a guy walking up and down the beach selling beers. I made our Christmas snowman in Grand Cayman.
Yeah.
Go Bills!
Look so cute. It's got the buffalo head.
Yeah, he does.
Oh, Buffalo Santa.
And that is 7 Mile Beach and the public beach. But we just hopped over just a little bit because all the beaches in the Caymans are public. But you'll see in front of all the hotels there's white little rope fences. And on the other side of it is private. So you just have to stay on the public beach part and find your own little hunk of heaven and just relax. Trying to get behind you.
Why?
Because it's fun. You can see just how clear the water is. I'm probably in 4 feet deep water and you can see perfectly down to the bottom. If there was fish here, you could just walk around and look at them. There's not a ton of fish. But if you go a little further out, there's some old concrete blocks and they've become sort of natural little reefs. And I found some out there. Some little reef fish. I even found a stingray out there. It's a great day at the beach. Just enough waves to keep you fun, but no waves to like surf on, huh? Alright, we're finishing up our time here at the beach. We had a great time, didn't we, baby?
Yes.
We hung out for it. It's beautiful. We don't want to go, but we're going to get sunburnt, and the boat leaves at 3. So we're going to go walk a little bit back to 7 Mile Beach and catch the public bus back over to the bus terminal.
So we can go shopping a little bit.
A little shopping. Alright, guys. Hey, baby.
Hi.
We find a little skeleton pirate guy. So we're back right by the cruise ship terminal again, which is just right across the street here. But we're gonna go do a little shopping first. Chris is having fun playing with the characters.
I'm gonna go shopping.
Let's go buy some crap.
That's a toilet. I like this. $35.
We're talking a delicious chunky fountain
Christmas ornaments. What did you find? What did you find me?
Nothing yet. What
Still
about
nothing?
a unicorn that makes sound?
No, I don't. I want to just show is a $40 for the rest.
What about $12 Christmas ornament?
$12 Christmas ornament. I don't like it.
So we're back in line to get on the ship. Always sucks, these tender ports. The lines are forever long to get back on the ship. But as long as you're in line before last on, which is 3:15 is last tender here, as long as you're in line, they've always waited for us. So that's good.
Now we're going back on the boat. Here we come, Carnival Sunrise.
I don't have to. I can go.
We're gonna have
I probably will.
another beautiful night on the cruise ship. I got mozzarella and we're gonna try the meatballs, and Ben got what?
I got some wild boar.
White what?
Wild boar.
Wild boar. Try it. Is it good?
Tastes no different than pork.
Tell me what you were.
So tonight for dinner, I got the strip steak, which is available every night if you're not sure what you like on the menu. And Chris got this beautiful looking pork chop. Looks delicious. Ready to dig in, baby?
I'm ready. I like my dessert tonight. My dessert looks wonderful. And Ben dessert is supposed to have some to pour some drinks in there, right?
No.
No?
It's inside already.
I guess mine, I have to pour this one. Woo. The food is very good. It's like, this one is like soft. And with that, and ice cream. But now we're gonna have shots. It's called Kiss on the Lips. Cheers. Tell me how it is.
No, later.
That's not bad. It's like peach schnapps and some other stuff. Alright, so after dinner we went and watched Spellbound, the show on the ship. It was really good. And now we're at the Rum Runner bar. And, oh, I can't turn you around, the mics are on the front. And here we're here to do the game show or something.
After the karaoke, there were some
really drunk people. Some people definitely got the drink package and went karaoke. But we're here for the game show. Hopefully it's a bunch of fun. We're going to sit and have a drink and finish off our night, guys.